In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish your own website using Weebly. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, a business website, or an online store, Weebly offers a straightforward platform that makes it easy for beginners and experienced users alike. Let's dive into the process from start to finish. First, navigate to Weebly's website. You'll be greeted with the home page, which is designed to get you started on building your free website or online store. The layout is quite intuitive, so feel free to explore a bit. However, to keep us on track, let's proceed with logging in. You'll need a Google account to move forward here. Click on the Login with Google button. This option sets up a quick and secure way to log in using your existing Google credentials, bypassing the need to remember another password. Now that we're signed in, you'll find yourself on Weebly's dashboard. Here's where you can manage all your sites. To start editing an existing site or to create a new one, click Edit Site. This action will take you directly into the Weebly editor, where you can customize your website's design, content, and layout. Once you're in the editor, you might see a pop-out menu on your screen. To keep your workspace clean and focus on your website itself, proceed by clicking the X to close any pop-out menu items you don't need at the moment. This will ensure you have a clutter-free experience while making adjustments to your site. With your workspace clean, you're in a good position to publish your work. At the top corner, you'll see the Publish button. Clicking this will initiate the process of getting your site live on the internet. But before your site can go live, you need to take care of one critical step: choosing a suitable domain name for your site. Enter your desired URL in the provided field. Making sure your web address is meaningful and easy to remember is important, since it reflects your brand and makes it easier for visitors to find you online. If your first choice is unavailable, don't worry. Weebly will suggest alternatives. After entering your preferred URL, click Search to check its availability. If the domain is available, proceed by selecting it. Weebly provides a list of available domains. If your first choice isn't an option, choose a domain that best fits your needs and click on it to lock it in. Finally, having selected your domain, click Publish once more to make your site live. Congratulations! Your website is now live for the world to see. You can always return to Weebly to make updates and improvements as needed. That's all it takes to set up and publish a website using Weebly. I hope the step-by-step guide was helpful, and I encourage you to explore more of Weebly's features to make your website uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!